Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails and mocktails. To begin, gather your essential bar tools, such as a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a muddler. Always choose the freshest ingredients, including ripe fruits and aromatic herbs, to ensure the best possible flavor. Understanding basic ratios, like 2 parts spirit to 1 part sweet and 1 part sour, is key to creating perfectly balanced drinks every time. This foundation will help you craft delicious beverages. Next, let's master some core mixing techniques. Shaking is perfect for drinks containing fruit juices, cream, or eggs, as it thoroughly chills and aerates them. For spirit-forward cocktails, like a classic old-fashioned, stirring gently with ice maintains clarity and achieves the ideal dilution. Muddling, on the other hand, is used to gently press and release the essential oils and juices from fresh ingredients such as mint leaves or citrus wedges, adding depth to your drink. Crafting delicious mocktails is just as exciting. Start by combining fresh fruit juices, such as cranberry or pineapple, with sparkling water, tonic, or ginger ale for a refreshing base. You can elevate flavors by infusing simple syrups with aromatic herbs like rosemary or basil, or spices like cinnamon. Remember to garnish your mocktails beautifully with fresh citrus slices, berries, or a sprig of mint to make them visually appealing and enhance the overall experience for your guests. Finally, presentation is crucial for a memorable drink. Always select the appropriate glassware, a tall highball for a refreshing mocktail or a coupe for a sophisticated cocktail. Thoughtful garnishes, such as a perfectly cut citrus twist, a vibrant cherry, or a fragrant herb sprig, add both visual appeal and aromatic complexity. Pay attention to your ice. Large cubes melt slower, providing consistent chilling and minimal dilution, ensuring your drink stays delicious from the first sip to the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.